Quai in a box. Tony Canola Z. Punky's Garden. Wiggle down, Kizzy. Sheep. I am happy because I've got some sheep to lamb. Look at that roast. So just to show you what I got going on here. So clearly that's a camp ring in a federal park here. In a forest. And got potatoes and sweet potatoes and onions over there roasting. And I got a reflector oven set up with the aluminum foil and this hasty tripod. And here on this nice piece of hemp twine, which I am going to dampen right now because it's pretty dry, I have a damp rag to dampen it. Because damp twine is stronger than dry twine. And you don't want to break a big old roast like that and drop it. So I don't know, it's a 5-pound lamb roast on my little fire roaster. Notice that one of my favorite bowls for cooking is underneath it. It's got all the drippings. So what I did was I trussed it up good and strong with hemp twine, and then, which is all around it, and then I roasted it halfway. Really, it's a hot smoke. This is kind of slow. So I trussed it up and I hung it, and then it was halfway done. I cut it off the truss and flipped it over and tied it to the other end of the truss. And there you go. And every once in a while you give it a twirl. When I first fired up the flames and it was big and hot, it was over 400. Where the vegetables were, and then it calmed down pretty quick. And then I ran around 200 most of the day. And I'm going to actually slow it down even more. It's a little warm for what I want. Alright, well, there you go. A truss. Or that's just a self-winding spit. And the way to roast. And then you get great use of your fire because you can now put a pot over the fire and roast off the side. Anyway, peace. Love y'all.